Making Daddy breakfast. Off to the dog park. Hey, happy first Father's Day! The staging continues. Birdie's so excited about the new paintings we're hanging up.
Yeah, baby, if you are feeling like I do, we could run away across the ocean. Baby, what you say? We can leave today. Anywhere we'll go, we'll be alright. It's all about you.
Ooh. Yeah, you want Daddy to drink his coffee? You're all ready for Daddy. Hey, happy first Father's Day! Yeah, happy first Father's Day, Daddy. Birdie made you a coffee.
Yay. Oh, thanks, sweetie pie.
Making Daddy breakfast.
Pointing at everything now.
You hear the birds chirping? Off to the dog park. Off to the doggy park. Birdie's waving goodbye to Grandma and Gramps, who are driving back to the island. We had so much fun this weekend with them. Bye-bye! Mommy is making us all yummy lunch, and then Daddy's gonna open his first Father's Day gift. First one ever.
Yay.
Mommy and Daddy started to pack and stage the place while Birdie was napping. Slowly but surely we're packing things away, organizing. I'm sure I'll do a lot more organizing videos to come. But for now, we're gonna eat and then have some more outside time. Having a yummy lunch. Daddy's gonna open his first Father's Day gift from Birdie. You enjoying your yams? Oh, are you unimpressed with it? You not feeling it right now?
That's thanks, sweetie pie. Oh, num num.
And Dad's root beer.
Num nums. Ooh. Some sauce.
We thought that Connor looked like you.
Yeah.
Daddy should have worn those last night when the Oilers were playing, hey Birdie?
Yeah, then they might have won. And then... Whoa.
Big Daddy.
Daddy cookie. Oh, Daddy. Big Daddy cookie.
She probably wants some of that. We're going with the dad theme.
And a shirt.
What does the shirt say?
Oh, wow.
Cool, Dad's Club.
Oh, thanks, sweetie pie. Am I cool, Dad? Am I cool, Dad?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, thanks for that.
Good job, Birdie. Those are some good dad pics.
Sweetie.
Just dropped off Daddy at the gym, and now the girls are gonna hit up the park, get some fresh air and some sunshine. Having a great day. We're heading home. Brady's gonna go down for a nap, and Mommy's gonna do lots more cleaning and organizing. I forgot to mention we're going to be getting professional photos and videos done of our place to prep for showing. So I have a full week to do all of the organizing and cleaning that we need for that. That's what all of the organizing videos will be for. Staging continues. Birdie's so excited about the new paintings we're hanging up. Go, Daddy, go! Go, Daddy, go! Looks good.
Yay! We have new pictures up on the wall. New pictures.
So we met with our realtor yesterday, and we essentially need to completely declutter our home, stage it, and we have about a week to do it before the photographer comes. So we've just been taking it room by room, and we started with our living room today, added a couple photos. Right here, there was nothing on the wall. We're gonna obviously get rid of the air conditioning, started to pack away all of the books that were in here. And now I'm going to the closet. So those are donations there. Started to completely declutter the shelves. Got some bathroom staging stuff. These are things we need to pack away. So our house is a bit of a disaster, but yeah, we're getting there. Okay, this is our closet that we're working with here. Need to completely declutter and stage it because right now there's a lot going on. So I'm gonna continue to make my way through the closet and I will show you the progress. So this is the before. And this is the after. It definitely looks better. We got rid of a ton of sweaters and then a couple tops as well. And I just tried to organize a lot of our blankets, but that is the closet. Making do with the space that we have here. Definitely looks better. Today has been a busy day. It was Blair's first Father's Day, which was super exciting. And then we've honestly just been spending a lot of it cleaning and organizing. I'll need to do a huge update in one of our upcoming videos on the status of our place and what's going on with the move and all that. But yeah, we're just gonna soak up the rest of the sun today, go to the dog park, and please make sure to hit subscribe if you haven't already, like this video, and we will see you in the next one.